block is called Patchwork Square. It's 12 inches finished. And here's the diagram. If you have a stack of 2.5 inch squares, this is the block for you. You can use up a whole bunch of these squares into a quilt top. Here is the cutting. For patch A, we're going to cut a square that's 2 7/8 inches and cut it in half once diagonally. And this is a 2-inch finished half square triangle. You'll need 4 patches for these corner half square triangles, 4 patches for these half square triangles here on these corners, and assorted for the half square triangles that go with the red. So here in the corner, here, here, and here. Those are the half square triangles. And if you have your 8-inch cube for AccuQuilt, you can make this block with that cube, and this will be shape 5. The next patch B is the 2-inch finished square, and we're going to cut it 2.5 inches. You'll need 8 patches of the background and 12 assorted patches in the center of the block. These are where you would use your 2.5 inch scraps. And patch C is a 1/4 square triangle, 4-inch finished. We'll cut a square that's 5 1/4 inches and cut it in half diagonally twice. And we'll need 4 patches. And here I've got them all the same fabric. And here is the C patch here, 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 and here. And this C patch matches the A patch in this little triangle here. To piece this, we're going to make the half square triangles first and then make the flying geese units. Here is a picture of 4 blocks put together. So you have a nice little design around the blocks, and then you have a little jewel kind of block in the center. This is a great scrappy quilt, I think. Now let's look at the pieces we've cut. Here are the fabrics I've cut. Here are the half square triangles. Here are the squares for the background, and then the assorted squares for inside the block. And these are the flying geese units that go around the border inside the block. Now I'm just going to piece all the units. Here I've laid out all the pieces, and I'm just going to start sewing the rows together and then sew the rows to each other. And then I'll come back and show you the finished block. Thanks for watching.